Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to translate an object on a grid using a translation vector. So we'll work through example 1 and then we'll try an exam style question. And if you want to work along with me, I'll leave the link to the PDF below. Okay, so for example 1, we're asked to translate triangle A by the translation vector 4, 3, and then to label the image C. So when we translate an object, we move its position to somewhere else on the grid, but we don't change the object itself. And this translation vector tells us how we move it. The top number specifies the horizontal movement, and the bottom number specifies the vertical movement. So if the top numbers are positive, we move the object to the right, and if it's a negative, we move it to the left. For bottom number, if this is positive, we move it up, and if it's negative, we move it down. Okay? So the way we do this, we pick a vertex on the object, any vertex we like, and then we move this vertex 4 units to the right, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we move it 3 units vertically upwards, so 1, 2, and 3. So we'll redraw this object, and then we get our translated image, and we'll label this image C. So do you want to try and translate triangle B? So we pick a vertex, any vertex, we'll move it this time to the left by 3 because it's a negative. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll go down by 1 unit into the negative 1. And again, we'll recreate the object from this vertex. Okay? And we'll label this D. And then for question C, describe fully the transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So the first thing we need to say is this is a translation. And then we need to specify the translation vector. We can pick any vertex on the object. We'll match it with a corresponding vertex on the image. Then we're going to the right by 1, 2, 3. And we're going up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So our translation vector is 3, 6. Okay? Let's try the exam style question. So in this question, we've been asked to translate triangle A by negative 3 and 2, to label the image C, then to translate triangle B by 5 and negative 1, and label this image D, and then to describe fully the transformation that maps A onto B. So perhaps you want to try this question yourself. You can pause the video, and when you come back, we'll go through the solution. Okay, so welcome back. So we'll pick a vertex on A. We're going to go across to the left by 3 units. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll go up by 2 units. So 1 and 2. And then we'll recreate this object from this point. So it'll be something like that. Okay? And we'll label this C. For question B, we'll pick a vertex. This time we've got positive 5. So we'll go 5 to the right, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going 1 down. So then we'll recreate the object from this point, and we get our new image, which we'll label D. And then for question C, where we can see that triangle A has been moved to triangle B, so we'll describe this as a translation. And the vector, well, we can start at this vertex. We're going across by 4, 5, and 6. So negative 6, and then we're going down by 4. So negative 6, negative 4 is our translation vector. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe. And you can download the full lesson and the PDF that accompanies this video from my website, mrmathematics.com. I'll leave a link below.